I'ma think it look cute. I did it. No, I'm joking, because I have done some stuff and been like, girl, no, absolutely not. Hey you guys, this is your girl Crown Me Rastador. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited today for this video. I've been wanting to try out this style for a minute, okay, for a very long time. I just really love the look of butterfly locks. Every time I see someone with butterfly locks, whether they're faux butterfly locks or crochet butterfly locks or whatever the case may be, I'm always like, oh my god, that is so cute. I would love to get that look with my locks. So when I was doing that 4-strand braid tutorial, if you haven't seen it as yet, go check it out. You definitely need to take a look at that video. I will have it linked down below, and it will also be right up here, just so that you can see a more in-depth, slowed down way of doing the 4-strand braids, because literally that's the same concept that I used to create these butterfly locks. I did the 4-strand braid method, but I just used more than 4 locks per braid. I used about 5 to 6 locks per braid to give me that kind of jumbo butterfly locks look. Girl, get into it. So if you are as excited as I am to see how I created these butterfly locks, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to all my new viewers and to all my subbies. You guys already know the deal. The love is real. But I'm not going to be doing 4 strands in this video, and I didn't quite want to do 8 strands because then I felt like I wasn't going to have that many, even though most of the time when you do see the butterfly locks, they are pretty jumbo and they don't really have a lot, but I still wanted a little something to work with. So for the most part, these 2 that I've done so far have about, I would say, about 6 locks in them. So I'm just going to continue the process. I already started just to see if I liked it, and I think it's coming out kind of cute. So I was like, all right, let me record it, let me share it with my guys and my gals or whatever. We're gonna do these 6. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 locks. All right, so I'm gonna put the rest of the hair away, and I'm not even gonna like retwist, neaten up my roots, nothing like that, because that's a part of the style for me. Like, it's just supposed to be kind of fun, you know what I'm trying to say. I am though gonna moisturize. So being that we're working with 6 locks and we're kind of doing this 4-strand braid kind of technique, you do kind of have to pay a little bit more attention. Definitely go check out my how to do 4-strand braids video, because in that one I really slow it down. This one I'm pretty much just gonna be more so showing you guys how to create the butterfly lock effect. And also this depends on how big your locks are. If you have thicker locks, like thicker locks than mine, you could probably just do the same look with the 4 strands. If you have skinnier locks, sister locks, you may need to use more locks to make it more jumbo. So it all depends on you. So here we go. So remember, if you guys remember, we go under, we go over, and then we cross the middle. All right, one more time. The one on the right goes under. Now it's in 3rd position. The one on the left goes over. Now it's in 2nd position, and the 2 in the middle cross. All right, so now we have, let's do another row. So I'm pulling this here, this strand here, then I'm gonna pull this one. Okay, we're just really trying to make it not look uniform. So I'm pulling. Let's do some more. Let's do a little bit more. So now that we have a little bit more to work with, we're gonna pull. I'm gonna pull some from here, pull some from here, and let's keep going. See that? How it's looking? Pull some more from the bottom. Let's get from the top. Let's pull this guy out. Pull this guy out. Pull him out, and keep going. Now we're kind of at the bottom. I don't have much more to work with. I'm going to pull a little bit more. Pull some more. Like so. Then I'm just going to secure the bottom with a rubber band. So now we have 3 of them, and this is how we're looking. What do you guys think? I think it looks really cute, really different, and it provides lots of body. So we're gonna do another one. So for this section we have 5 blocks, our 4 strands, and let's get started. Let's go under, over, cross. So I do about 3, stop, and evaluate. Let's pull some out, pull some there, let's pull some here, under, over, cross, and then we pull out, pull out. We go for them down, and I'm literally almost halfway through my hair, so that's the best part about this style too. It's super quick. So let's do another one. I literally have to continue to stay under, over, cross, or else I will lose my track. Seriously. So now that we're up to here, I'm just gonna pull some locks out. It's that simple. Just pull. See that? And then we can keep going. Under, over, cross. And let's pull some more. Let's pull this guy in the middle here. Let's pull another one in the back, out. See that? The reason why I don't want to go down the whole length of the braid before pulling is because when you start to go further down, the hair becomes harder to pull apart because now you're locking it kind of into that braid. So that's why I'm doing about 3 under, over, crosses down, and then pulling, and then continuing, you know. So cute. Under, over, cross. Let's pull some. Let's pull him out. Pull out this guy. And let's keep going. And honestly, you might lose track of where you are and your under, over, cross. But being that we want this to look messy, it doesn't even really matter. To be honest, if you lose track, all that would happen is your braid looks a little wonky. And that's actually what we want. So so now when we reach here, pull, start to pull. Pull here from this side. Let's do this guy in the middle. We kind of want to make it not uniform members. So we take it from the left, the right, the middle. I've been looking for you. I've been searching for you. Alright you guys, so now I'm finished and I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in it so it doesn't look dry. My life, just wanna make you my wife. Baby, follow me, go, oh, oh, oh. Follow me, go, oh, oh. Stay with me, just stay with me, girl. Alright, so let me show you guys up close what they look like. See my mama, I take you to see my papa, I take you to see my brother, I take you to see my sister. See, mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna tie this down. Alright you guys, so now I'm finished getting ready. Let's take down these locks, and this is what they look like in one. So let's take them down and see what they're looking like. OMG. I think it looks so cute. You guys can tell me, you guys are gonna be the judge for me, obviously. I'ma think it look cute. I did it. No, I'm joking. Because I have done some stuff and been like, girl, no. Absolutely not. But this I do think looks super cute. I kind of want to like bend it in a little bit, but this is what they're looking like. What I'm gonna do is apply some of these lock jewelry pieces to my locks, because I feel like a lot of the times that I see like the butterfly locks and things like that, people have it all adorned and fancy. So I'm gonna put them on some of the locks that are like sticking out, like so. You guys, so that's it. This is how the locks are looking adorned, and this is actually going to complete the video. So I really hope you guys try this. If you do try it, let me know down below how you like it. Let me see. Follow me on Instagram, same name as the YouTube, crown_me_rastadol. You can do the style, send it to me. I will repost you, girl. I would love to see like you guys trying out some of my styles. But honestly, this is one style, I'm not gonna lie, it starts off a little wonky. It's kind of like where you going with this, but it comes together. When it's done, it really does come together. Just for reference, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these butterfly locks on my hair. And look at how thick it looks. So these are 12 of the butterfly locks. And when I did the 4-strand braids, just for some more reference, I had about 16. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm gonna definitely zoom in so you guys can get a better, closer look at the butterfly locks that I installed in my actual locks. So yeah, that's that for this video. Hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, like the video, share the video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. This is.
From above, hey, you're a blessing, anything that you do, you're a blessing, and the way that you move, you're a blessing, everything that you do is a blessing, hey, I'm a